Welcome back to Cameron's Corner. Check out our sweet Sesame Street suitcase. It looks like we have Elmo. Let's open up our suitcase and see what's inside. Whoa, the alphabet. Alright, sweet. Let's get started. Our first letter is the letter A. A makes the sound ah. What starts with the letter A? Abby. After the letter A, we have our B. B makes the sound B. And what starts with the letter B? Bird. After B, we have the letter C. C makes the sound K. So, what starts with the letter C? The Cookie Monster. Nom 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 nom. Cookies. After C, we have the letter D. D makes the sound D. So, what object starts with the letter D? A drum. After the letter D, we have E. E makes the sound So, what starts with the letter E? Ernie! After the letter E, we have the letter F. F makes the sound F. And what starts with the letter F? A football! Then we have the letter G. G makes the sound G. What starts with the letter G? Grover. Then we have the letter H. H makes the sound H. So, what starts with the letter H? Horse. After the letter H, we have the letter I. I makes the sound or I. Ice cream. Our next letter is the letter J. J makes the sound J. And can you tell me what starts with the letter J? Jelly. After J comes the letter K. K makes the sound K. So what starts with the letter K? Kite. After K comes L. L makes the sound L. So let's see what starts with the letter L. Lemon. Ooh, so sour. After the letter L comes M. M makes the sound M. So what starts with the letter M? It's Murray. Monster. After M, we have the letter N. N makes the sound N. So, what starts with the letter N? It looks like a nest. After the letter N, we have O. O makes the sound
ah or Ooh.
So, what starts with the letter O? Oscar. We're getting towards the end. After the letter O comes the letter P. P makes the sound
P.
So what starts with the letter P? Pumpkin. After the letter P, we have the letter Q. Q makes the sound Q. So, what starts with the letter Q? Queen. After the letter Q, we have the letter R. R makes the sound R. What starts with the letter R?
Rosita.
After the letter R, we have the letter S. S makes the sound S. S. So, what starts with the letter S?
Snuffleupagus.
After the letter S, we have the letter T. T makes the sound T. T. So, what starts with the letter T? A T. T. Tree. U makes the sound ah. So, what comes after what starts with the letter U? An umbrella. Our next letter is the letter V. V makes the sound V. V. So, what starts with the letter V? A violin. After the letter V, we have the letter W. W makes the sound woo, woo. So, what starts with the letter W? Wagon. Down to our last three letters. X, Y, and Z. So after the W, we have our X. X is kind of a tricky one. It makes a lot of sounds, but for the word we're going to learn today, it just makes the sound X. We have an X-ray. After the X is the letter Y. Y makes the sound Y. So, what starts with the letter Y? A yo-yo. And our last letter of the alphabet is the letter Z. Z makes the sound Z. So, what starts with the letter Z? Zoe! Great job learning the alphabet with me today. I had so much fun. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our page, Cameron's Corner. See you next time.